Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the lesson squares and square roots and we were in a worksheet 5. Now coming to the question number 4, subdivision second, the square root of 2.5. We have to find out the answer in decimals up to 3 decimal places. Okay. So, you know the method 2.5. So, 2.5 up to 3 decimal means we have to find out the answer up to 4 decimal, then round off. So, this is for first decimal, second decimal, third decimal, and then the fourth decimal. Now here on the whole number side 0, 2. Now 2 means 1 ones are. Put the decimal place immediately, decimal point. So 1 ones are 1. So 1 remains, bring 50 down, add 1, it became 2. 2 how much are 14? 15. 2 sevens are. But you can put only 5. Okay. 5, 25 5s are. It is 125. So you will get 25. And now bring these two zeros down. Add 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 plus 2, 3. Now 3 how much are 25? 3 8s are 24. So you can put 8. 8 8s are 24. 8 8s are 64. 8 zeros are 0. And this 6. 8 3s are 24. Now 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. Here it is 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Bring these two zeros down. Add 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 1 plus 0, 1. Then 3 as it is. Now here it is 3 digits and the 4 digits. So 3 how much are 3? It's only 1s. It is 3, 1, 6, 1. When you multiply with 1, it will be the same, isn't it? So, 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. Here it is 5. Minus 1, 4. 3 minus 3, 0. Bring these two zeros down. Add 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 6, 1, 3. Now, it is 4 digits and 5 digits. Means 1 digit only we have to ask. 3 how much are 4? It is 1. So, it will be 3, 1, 6, 2, 1. Okay. Now, the answer is 1.5811, but it will be last digit is 1. So 1.581 up to 3 decimal places. If it is 5 and above, then only you have to increase, isn't it? Hope you understood this. 2.5, the square root of 2.5. Now coming to the third sum, it is a mixed number. Okay, you already know the methods, isn't it? It is 2, 1 upon 12. So first you will be writing square root of 12 2s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 2. Okay, now we have to divide and see. So it is 25 divide by 2. 2 ones are 2. Sorry, it is 12. Sorry, 12. 12 twos are 24. 1 remains. Immediately put the decimal. Take extra 0. 12 zeros are 0. Now 10 extra 0. 12 eights are 96. Now 4 remains, extra 0. 12 threes are 36. Again 4 remains, extra 0, 3. Remember this last year's topic. They are repeating, isn't it? So 3 is repeated. So here you take 2.0833. Now we have to find out up to 3 decimal places. So here we are not putting 00. It is a 2.08. First decimal, second decimal. Now 3 is repeated. So you have to take 3. So first decimal, second decimal, third decimal and fourth decimal. Hope you are understanding this. Because 3 is repeated. So we have to take 3 extras, not 0. Okay. Now 1 ones are 1. Put the decimal point. 2 minus 1, 1. Bring 0, 8 down. Add 1. It will be 2. 2 how much are 10? 5s are. But 5 will be bigger. So we have to take 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8, 9. Now 8 minus 6, 2. Here it is 10 minus 9, 1. Bring 33 down. Add 4. It is 4 plus 4, 8 and 2. Now 2 how much are 12? 2 6 are 12. But 6 is not possible. 5 is not possible. Because if we put 5, 5 5s are 25. 5 8s are 40, 42. 5 2s are 10, 14. It will be bigger. So it is 4. You have to try all that in the rough work. 4 4s are 16. 4 8s are 32, 33. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11. Now 13 minus 6 is 7. 12 minus 3 is 9. 1 minus 1, 0. Now bring these 3 down. Now add 4. It is a 8. This 8 and 2. Now it is 3 digit and 4 digit. So we have to ask only 1 digit, isn't it? 2 how much are 9? 2 4s are 8. But 4 will be bigger than 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24, 25, 26. 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. So 8, 6, 4, 9. Now 13 minus 9 is 4. Now 12 minus 4, 8. Here 6 minus 6, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. Now bring 33 down. add 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 8, 8, 2, 2, 8, 8, 6. Now 4 digits and 6 digits. So we are asking with the 1 and 2 digit, isn't it? So 2 5s are 10. But 5 will be bigger. Even 4 is also bigger. So we have to put only 3. So it is 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18, 3 8s are 24, 25, 3 8s are 24, 25, 26, 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. So it is 1.4433. Answer 1.4433, that is 1 point, it is smaller, 443 up to 3 decimal places. Here the extra work is this, isn't it? Not directly 0 0 you are taking. You have to divide and see, then you will get 3 is repeated. Okay. Now coming to the fourth sum, fourth subdivision. It is 3 6 7 2 by 7. Okay. Now in the denominator it is 7. 3 6 7 into 7, 7 7s are 49, 7 6 are 42, 42, 46, 7 3s are 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and when you add 2, it will be 1 7 5 2. So you got 2 5 7 1 upon 7. Now divide and see. 7 2 5 7 1. 7 3s are 21. It's a big lengthy process. Remember last year's rational numbers as decimals. Okay. So it is 21. 4 remains. Bring 7 down. It is a 7. 6 are 42. 5 remains. Bring 1 down. 7 7s are 49. You got a 2. Put decimal place and extra 0. Now 7 2s are 14. It is a 6 remains, extra 0. 7 8s are 56. 4 remains, extra 0. 5s are 35. 5 remains. It is 7s are 49. 1 remains, extra 0. 1s are 7. 3 remains. 7 4s are 28. 2 remains. See, we want 8 places, isn't it? 1 2 3 4 5 6 over. Now 20 means 2s are 14. 6 remains. 0 and so 8s are 56. 4 remains. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It goes on continuing, but we need 6 decimal places. Hope you understood. So we have to divide up to where we get a 6 decimal places. So it will be 367.28571428. Okay, now write the number. It's a very lengthy process, isn't it? 367.28571428. Onto the whole number side, it will be like this. Is it clear? Hope you understood. Okay, now 3. Now the method is same. Only this step is extra. So 1 ones are 1. This 2 remains 67. Add 1. It is 2. 2 how much are 26? Means you can try with 9. So put 9 the decimal place. 9 nines are 81, 9 twos are 18, 19, 20, 26. It is a 6 and bring this 28 down. Add 9 is 18, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 how much are 6? 2s are, but it is bigger. So put 1. 381 as it is. 8 minus 1, 7. Now 12 minus 8 is 4. 6, 5. Now it is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. Bring 57 down. Add 1. It is 283. Now it is 3 digits, 5 digits. 3 how much are 24? 3 8s are 24, but we can put only 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 2s are 12, 15. 6 8s are 48, 49. 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 7 minus 6, 1. It is 0. 17 minus 9. It is 8. Now 3 minus 2 is 1. Now bring 14 down. Is add 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 1 plus 2, 3. 8 and this 3. Now 3 how much are 18? 3 how much are 18? So you can put 3 6 are 18, but 5 check, it will be 3 8 3 2 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 12, 5 3s are 15, 16, 5 8s are 40, 41, 15, 19. Bigger it will be, so put 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 9, 4 3s are 12, 4 8s are 24, 25. Isn't it? 12, 13. Okay, 1 minute. 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 9, 4 3s are 12, 4 8s are 20, 4 8s are 32, 4 8s are 32, 33, 4 3s are 12, 13, 14, 15. Now 4 5, 6 means 8. Here it is a 10 minus 9, 1. Now here it is 10 minus 2, 8. Now 9 minus 3, 6. And here it is 7 minus 5, 2. 2, 6, 8, 1, 8. Now bring this 28 down. Add 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 2, 3, 8, 3. Now it is 3, 5. Here it is 2 extra means 3. How much? 26. 3 8s are 24, but it will be 6 times. Okay, only 6 are 6 6 are 36. 6 8s are 48, 49, 50, 51. 6 2s are 12, 17. 6 3s are 18, 19. 6 8s are 20. 6 8s are 48, 49. 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So you got the answer 19.1646, but it is 19.165 because it is greater up to 3 decimal places. Hope you understood. A very lengthy sum. Usually this type of sums are not asked in the exam. Okay, because so lengthy it is. It will take 10 minutes to solve. But you should understand the method. Okay. Bye. Thank you.